Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to make a thumbnail with the outline effect in Canva for free for your YouTube videos. So this is what we're going to be talking about. In case you don't know what the outline effect is, here is the outline effect. This is what we're going to be creating in today's video. Okay, something similar to this one. All right, you see this outline effect right here on my picture. So this is what I'm going to be showing you in today's video for free. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. All right guys, so first of all, you want to go ahead to canva.com, but before we go to Canva, this is the picture that I'm going to be using. All right, this is the picture that I'm going to be using for our thumbnail. Okay, but we want to eliminate the background. Okay, so first of all, we want to get rid of the background. You can do that using Photoshop if you know how to do it. Or if you don't know how to do it, you can just go ahead to this website to just do it and get it done very easily and in a quick way. So let's go to remove.background. Okay, remove.background. This is the website you want to visit, and then you just drag and drop your image right there, and it's uploading right now. All right, so it's doing its job, and here we go guys. It has already removed the background, so you just click on download, and you have to download it on your I want to choose the desktop, and this is where I want to download it. Right, it's right there. Okay, so it's downloaded right here. Let's exit out of this, and now we go to Canva, and I want to search for YouTube thumbnail right here. Okay, YouTube thumbnail, and then we have a lot of templates right here. Okay, you can select any template, whichever one you like for your video. So but let me just go to the same one that I have selected earlier, and here it is. This is the one that I'm going to be using for today's video. Okay, so let me just click on it and then open it up, and we get rid of this picture. Thank you. And then we want to go ahead and upload our picture. So this is the picture that I've downloaded without the background. So you just drag and drop it right here, and you change its size to make it like a little bit bigger, right? Something like that. And now what you can do is you want to select the image, and you click on edit image right here. Okay, and then you go down. Obviously, if you have the pro version of Canva, you can actually do the background remover right here, for like if you have the pro version. If you don't have it, you just go to the website. All right, so moving on, you go down, you click on edit image, and you go down, and you will see those effects. Okay, click on see all, and you will see those effects. We have glow, drop, angle, and curved, and a lot of other effects that we can actually use. So let's just click on glow. This is the effect that we want, and then click on it again to open the settings here to edit it. And here I want to bring the transparency to 100%, so I don't want it to be transparent, and we can actually change the color. We have it blue, we have it in any color you want. So I want to select white, and here the blurriness, I don't want it to be blurry, I just want it to be something like that. And don't worry about the quality right there. I know it's not that clear, but you can adjust that later. Okay, so we just want to change the color. You can actually add some shadows to it, like you just play around with these settings right here. We have drop, angle, curved, and a lot of other settings that you can play with. All right, so this is how we add the outline effect. And now if we want to make it nicer, we just gonna drag and drop the YouTube logo, for example, and it's too big. Let me just make this smaller, bring this right here, make it smaller, something like that. All right, and then we bring Canva right here as well, make it something like this, just to make things more interesting. Okay, we select YouTube, and then we give it the same effect with a drop shadow right here. Okay, we give it some shadow just to make it pop out a little bit. Click on it again and make the size a little bit bigger, the blurriness more, and the transparency less transparent, just like that, and click on apply. Same thing for Canva logo right here. You just click on edit image, then shadows, and drop shadow, and then you add the glow right here, and you change the transparency to let it pop out even more, something like this. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to change the text right here. So we write outline effect in Canva. All right, outline effect in Canva. Just let have them online, just like that. Okay, outline effect. All right, so this is how you do it, guys. If you want to save it, you just click on share and then click on download, and then you download your image, and here you go, guys. All right, so this is how you create an outline effect or a thumbnail for your YouTube videos for free using Canva. That is it. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be uploading more videos. So that is it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace and love. Bye bye.